Hi guys, and welcome back. Thank you for coming and sitting down with me, and let's start this video. What do I have for you today? That's what you're asking? I know. What is this video all about? We got Glow Addict. That's right, we got Glow Addict. This box here, this is the beauty box. This one is $18.99. You do get, let's see how many, 5 to 7 full-size products. So, and the products can be just about anything. Okay, so Glow Addict does have, let's see here, it has 4 tiers, and I'm looking online right here to see what it is. There is the first one, which is $13.99. That is the beauty bag. Then there is this one here, which is $18.99. This one is considered the beauty box. So the first one's beauty bag, this one is the beauty box. Then the next one is the XL Luxe Beauty Box at $34.99. And then we have our skincare box, which is $24.99. Mind you, all of them do charge you shipping. So, and there is a downside. It doesn't stop me from subscribing, but there is no card. So you do have no idea. And if you go onto their website and you try to look up what this box is when it's in the current month, it's not going to show you. You have to go to their Instagram, and then from there you'll be able to see what it is that's being featured in your box and how much your box is actually worth. So is it worth $34.99 on my XL? Is this worth $18.99? I don't know. I don't care. Let's get into the box. So look at how cute. I got a little avocado. This thing came apart. It's just a little sponge, and it's shaped like an avocado. It's cute. That's cute. It's coming apart. It doesn't even stay inside its package anymore. I mean, this poor thing it's been trashed. It's trashed on. And then there is the, what is this? Can't even see it. It is banana loose powder from Okalon. I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave the wrapping on there, but see the real pretty sparkle pink top, and then it's the banana, that yellow color. This is not something that I use on a regular basis. The banana, I thought that it might, you know, you never know. It all depends whether it's evening. Da 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 da. I have the one from Fenty. I don't use it that much at all, so this will probably go in a giveaway because the banana color, look at this, I don't know, it's not me. And then they have an iBeauty brow soap. I wanted to try these before I got the ABH brow freeze. I'm addicted to that stuff. The ABH brow freeze, insane. But you know, this iBeauty little brow soap, I don't know, you know, if it works good. I mean, all you're doing is getting more control of your eyebrows. So really is, you know, $40 some or $30 some that I paid for that ABH versus this probably cost maybe $6, $5. And it comes with a little spoolie. I like the little tin. It's got the little tin. See? Whoops, I thought maybe it would flip up. I already kind of swirled in there. This was before I ordered the ABH because I wanted to see how sticky. This one's a little bit more gelatin-like, whereas the ABH, you got to spray it. Get it working. Kind of smells good. But anyhow, there you go. Get control over these things. Look like tarantulas. Not mine, but you know, some people do. Some people do. Sometimes I think, girl, you know what? You need to mow that lawn above your eyes. Landscape your eyebrows, ladies. Keep on it. And then you have this really pretty kind of like peach, very bright. This is an eyeliner. You just wet it. Let me get it to not glare. This little eyeliner. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's peach. Yeah. I had no idea what it was. I had to email them to ask. And then I did not get, do not know. They just stopped interacting with me. I told them, listen, I got this palette. This is not what I paid for. I was supposed to get a completely different palette. Everybody else got a different palette except for me. I got this 18 color eyeshadow palette that nobody knows, including the people helping me on the other side through email and through Instagram, have no clue where this came from. I showed them a video when it first came, because I always open everything on my kitchen table. There's the door, you know, the mailman leaves, I put it down there, I start filming. I right away start filming. If there's nothing wrong with the box, I delete the video and I move these things, stack them up on that table. But they don't know what this is. This is from She Makeup, and it's an 18 color eyeshadow palette named Rosie. It's got a nice little sleeve. There you go. There you go. Sorry about that. That product protector's taped on there, or it's stuck on there. They're pretty colors, you think? You think? They're pretty colors. You know what I mean? I don't know anything about them. Will I use it? Why not? You know, why not try? But that's not what I paid for. And then when they just wouldn't even respond to me anymore, it was kind of like, just, if you don't say anything, she'll just shut up and we'll just go about our way, you know, go about our day. And too bad, we don't know where the palette came from. Get over it. So that's how they treated this situation. I don't appreciate it, but is what it is. Here's the next one. This is the XL. Remember that one? This is the XL Luxe. This is $34.99. Let's turn this one around because my address is on it. Again, the downside to these subscription boxes are they have no card. So there you go. This one was packed pretty darn, I mean, there are some pretty awesome products in this box here. You do get some micellar 30 sheets. You get your little micellar makeup remover, cleansing towelettes. It's not bad. I've never used them, but you know, not bad. Again, and this will happen in the same month, you might see duplicate products, just maybe a small, or you know, like here's the example, the brow soap by Beauty. So I got a second one. This seems like it was their little main attraction. Now there was a whole bunch of these, this little cup full of beauty blenders, and they're each different shades. Like these two down here are marbled, these are solid, and then this is like a lighter. So you have lighter, darker, and then marbling. And then of course, you know, your little metal straw. This one's called Matcha Latte, and it is blending sponges, reusable cup and straw by Kayla. So Kayla Beauty. They have those really pretty rainbow unicorn-like type brushes. So that's, in a sense, their main attraction on the XL Luxe, as well as another item in here, and we'll do that in just a sec. Now I got the same color, this eyeliner, this peach. Not really sure why, but this, I got two. I won't use them because that's not, I don't know, it's not because there's something wrong with that. It's just not my style of application for an eyeliner. This one here is Girolactic. This is the Jelly Gloss Balm. And is there a color on here? Who knows, right? Who knows? It's just a balm. It's just a balm by Girolactic. Very pretty, that rose gold. It's very pretty. Oh, look at that. I'm not gonna put it on. That smells nice. That smells delicious, actually. I almost want to put it like underneath just to start licking my lips. Hey, these balms sometimes they taste good. Okay, I did get a looks like a concealer. Got a concealer brush. I have one almost exactly like this. This is a Morphe. Where's the number on here? M166, I think. Yeah, M166 or 65. Looks like 66. But this is a concealer brush. Oh, there we go. You can see the writing much better right there. So this is the M166. This is the Morphe concealer brush. Nice. You can always use an extra concealer brush by Morphe. And then by iBeauty, you get these two lashes. There is a glue. These are magnetic lash set. And it says magnetic. Okay, well, anyhow, it's a lash set. There's the magnetic eye glue, extra strength and waterproof. So kind of cute, right? Is there a name for these? Not really. Sometimes there's a name, you know, for the lashes that you're wearing. All right, now this is also the other big one. It's Tea Time Fantasy, and who is this by? This is a big old palette. Look at how pretty. I'm gonna have to hold it back or else it's gonna just bounce off that light. This is by Amorous. You guys remember them, right? Okay, how many do we have? 32 shade pressed pigment palette. Did I look at this one? It doesn't look like it because it was still stuck to the bottom. Whoa, I know you can't see that, but there is a roadmap, but maybe right there. Look at that. There is a roadmap on the back. And 32 pressed pigment shadows. Dang. And it says Tea Time on the front. Oh, that's so pretty. It is really pretty. They're small. These palettes right here, you can use them for just about anything. It does have a big mirror right there, and there you go. Look at those. You've got shimmers, you have mattes. I don't see any, well, you do have a few. Thank God, not a whole bunch. Some of the chunky glitter. It's soft, but I can tell you it's going to make a mess. I'll just leave those shadows alone. See those? Your neutrals. You know what I mean? So, that's pretty. I don't know. Would you guys use it? Would you use this? Sometimes I look in my drawers. I look in these bins over here. That entire kind of like dresser section type thing that has the drawers on it, where my TV, if you see the beauty room, the TV's sitting on it, it's got gray drawers. Anyhow, they're filled. All the drawers are filled with palettes. Right next to it, filled with palettes. My point is, I will go through and start looking at all of the palettes that I do have, especially when I want to create a look or before I'm going to record. And you'd be surprised at what, out of the blue, you just pick something like this. And I'll do it from time to time. But anyhow, all right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 items. And this one is supposed to have how many? How many do you get? 7 to 10 items for $34.99. Not bad. That is the XL Luxe Beauty Box. So, and I will say this, it does get to you fast. It does come second day. So these things it's a priority today, and you'll get them really quick. Though I don't know if it has anything to do with it shipping from California, because that's where I am. I don't know. Anyway, thanks a lot for hanging out with me, you guys. I did the regular beauty box, and then we did the XL Luxe from Glow Addict. That's it for now. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and right there, it says it all. I don't have to tell you guys, do I? Except for to make sure you turn that notification to all, so it lets you know when I upload my next video. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.